Meaning of impair.
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 Impair. The word impair means to weaken, damage or diminish something. When something is impaired, it is not functioning at full capacity and may have limitations or defects. Impairment can refer to physical or mental disabilities, as well as damage that occurs to objects or systems. For example, drinking alcohol can impair your ability to think and make decisions, while a car accident can impair a vehicle's ability to function properly. The consequences of impairment can be serious and may lead to negative outcomes such as accidents, mistakes, or reduced quality of life.